Anomaly detection plays a role across a number of elements within the Morphio platform itself. And we do also have a section for anomalies specifically, where you're able to view anomaly cards that bring light to positive and negative changes that are truly anomalous in nature, as well as you having the ability to pipe them over into your Slack channels for instant notification, or by going into your My Settings and then setting email notifications related to these anomalies themselves. So as we jump back to anomalies, I'm going to first show you how we're able to filter them and then get into a little bit of a walkthrough of a few of the anomalies that are showing here. So in this case, we have all types selected, and just to show you a little bit here, types are generally associated with either ad platforms, individual tactics such as SEO. They can relate to elements such as landing pages, or your weekly KPI performance, which are driven by your overall goal settings for your account. So I'm going to leave all of these selected for this demo. And then you can also select the metrics for which you would like to filter your anomalies in this view. And I'm going to keep all of these filters on. Then you can select the levels of changes that you'd like to show your anomalies for. So either normal, which are ones within the normal bounds, not necessarily statistically anomalous in nature. Those that have slight changes, which are classified as a level 1, those with moderate changes, and then those with more severe changes. And then finally, you can select whether you want negative anomalies or positive anomalies. For me, I'm going to select both so I see both the good and the bad. We also have a date range selector where you can select a period of time. So I'm going to select 30 days, and you can see a quick plot here of the anomalies by week, and green meaning positive and red meaning negative. So if we take a look at a few of the anomaly cards, let's take a look at this first one. So this one was from today, relating to an advertising landing page for our sample client. And the issue flagged here is that the page code was originally for a page that was loading fine within the browser and is now showing as 404. So there's an error with the page loading right now. And this is relating to Microsoft advertising. So what this is flagging is that there are currently Microsoft ads that are sending traffic to a page that is 404ing. So this is indeed a severe change, going from a 200 to a 404 status code. So something definitely worthy of your investigation. Let's scroll down a little bit and look at some of these competitor search ranking ones. So we first of all have one flagged as severe changes here. And this is a competitor, chairandtable.com, that has increased their rank from a position of 45 to a position of 22 in California. So this is showing that they've made a significant move in their search rank. So something that it could negatively impact us and something worthy of an SEO investigation. On the flip side, we have some other competitors, well, same one, but different keywords, where they've actually slipped in their rank change. So something that, again, is anomalous in the true nature of the word, and something that is positive for our sample client brand. If we go up to the top, I'm going to filter on just weekly KPI performance. And this is going to bring just those types that are most relevant to the true goals that I'm tracking as a business. So here we have a few that are loaded. I'm going to go to this one right here. So this is from January 14th, and it's relating to sessions. So in this case, it's showing a plot with the expected range in the lighter colored area. And we generally see this plot following that pretty well. But a couple of weeks ago, so we see January 4th to January 10th, this number is significantly higher. So the sessions were higher than expected. So we had 4,800 sessions, while the expected range was 2,700 to 3,800. And that is a 21% increase over the week before and a 90% increase over the year before. So this was classified as a level 2 with moderate changes. One of the other things that we do have with some of our cards is the ability to check out what we call insights. So I'm going to go to one of these. So here we have our competitor search ranking, where a competitor slipped from position 18 to position 30. So I'm going to click on Insights, and this is going to load up some key information as to how we detected that change. So we noticed not only did their position slip, but we also detected during the same time period that there were changes to the website being made. So there's a hyperlink added. Again, it's pulling in from their code here. There was a header tag added, visualize your dream home, and there's a paragraph added. So here we have that paragraph that was added. So it's not necessarily saying that these changes themselves were the sole reason for that slip, but we do want to show what we do find within our SEO analysis and flag that as a potential insight to the potential change. So that's it for anomalies right now. They will load one after a few hours of setting up your account with your information, and they can provide some very valuable, again, truly anomalous flags for your data.